Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you do want to click on that subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. So, let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on GBPJPY. So, we would want to know our trend first. We tend to know that market tends to give us three movements. It's either trending to the upside, trending to the downside, or ranging, right? But if you are to look at the full trend on this GBP you will see that market is literally ranging within this level, right? But the current trend is literally showing a trending move. So basically, GBP JPY is trending within the ranging markets. So it is trending here within the overall market, which is ranging move. Now, if you take a look at this, GBP USD has literally come up to tap our resistance level. So the next movement we'll be expecting on GBP JPY is a drop. So basically, we're expecting a sell from this resistance level. So our forecast next and our bias next on GBP JPY is a sell. So we're expecting a sell. Be very careful taking a buy from this level here because we literally come to tap this resistance level. Market will start falling. So only go ahead to take the sell once you get the setup. So subscribe to stay updated. I'll give you more updates.